are going to take a look at our desktop paperless conference system. This is one of the styles of our desktop paperless conference system. In addition to the regular paperless function, this product also integrates the functions of discussion and simultaneous interpretation. The desktop paperless conference system supports speech, transcription, and displays subtitles on the screen. This is GONSIN lifting paperless conference system. It supports Windows and Android operating system. Its functions include file browsing, annotations, streaming media on demand, and etc. And it's very suitable for the localization construction requirements of government agencies, enterprise, and institutions. The above is a brief introduction of GONSIN conference booth at the Product Light and Sound exhibition. Thank you for watching.